This bike makes less than 10 horsepower, barely reaches 60 miles per hour, and looks like it shouldn't be taken seriously at all. Yet Honda keeps improving it for 2025 and 2026, and riders keep buying it. This is the Honda Grom. On paper, nothing about the Grom makes sense. A 124cc engine, a tiny frame, a low top speed. In a world obsessed with power and performance, this bike should be irrelevant, but it isn't. Instead of chasing speed, Honda focused on how the bike feels. For 2025 and 2026, the Grom gets refreshed bodywork, a proper 5-speed manual transmission, and an ABS option for real-world safety. Not upgrades meant to impress spec sheets, upgrades meant to make riding more enjoyable. The engine may only produce around 9.7 horsepower, but it's smooth, reliable, and incredibly efficient. Some riders report fuel economy close to 166 miles per gallon. That means you ride more and worry less. The low 30-inch seat height makes it approachable for almost anyone. At just over 220 pounds, the bike feels light, playful, and unintimidating. In traffic, in parking lots, and on narrow streets, the Grom feels exactly where it belongs. And then there's the price. Starting at $3,599 and reaching $3,799 for the ABS model, this isn't a throwaway bike. Honda is clearly saying this is a serious machine, just one built around fun instead of speed. What truly sets the Grom apart is customization. The body panels are designed to come off easily, encouraging owners to personalize their bikes. Stock, modified, minimal, or wild, no two Groms need to look the same. The Honda Grom doesn't try to be fast. It doesn't try to be intimidating. It simply reminds riders why they started riding in the first place. The 2025 and 2026 Honda Grom proves that enjoyment isn't measured in horsepower. Sometimes the smallest bike delivers the biggest smile. This is Z Autos, where we look beyond numbers and focus on what truly matters on two wheels.